Yeah, hi all. Aditya here from Softech. Today we are discussing about the COPA controlling and profitability analysis, getting the data from ECC server in using controlling and profitability analysis, and then loading the data into PSA and then Cube. This is the project that we normally do. In this, controlling and profitability analysis is something which is very significant in decision making. So that's the reason we have a different process for loading this data. We basically go to a transaction called KEB0. As I discussed with you in the theory part, you will be able to create the data source only with one underscore co underscore pa. If we don't have one underscore co underscore pa, it is not going to work out. So if I try to give the data source with something like Softech 1, it's going to give me an error. Why it's going to give me an error? Because it's not started with one underscore co underscore pa. So I'll just give some operating concern here. Operating concerns are created by FICO guys, and just say, if you say save, it will give you an error. It will throw an error. It will throw an error saying that the data source name have to be started with one underscore co underscore pa. So it's a mandatory thing. So what we do is we go ahead with KEB0, and now here let's create. I'll go for JH999, and then we need to, yesterday we have done costing based, now we will go into account based. Here the data source name is different, but the fields that you are going to see in the next screen are all same. So whenever you create account based, there are certain fixed fields from which we can pick that from. Okay, in accounts based we don't have this operating concernism. So operating concerns, we need to select something like, I'll go for IDIS idea, and then click on execute. Now you will see certain characteristics and KPIs. So these fields are fixed. You cannot add new things. You can hide the existing ones, but you cannot add new things, new fields. So we have to you know uh, go for some descriptions. Now here the partition will make it on KOKRS. This controlling area, we'll just do it for controlling a KOKRS, and just we can hide couple of fields actually. We can hide it at this level, or we can hide it at the the data source level. So let's do it on the data source level. I want to hide these couple of fields. We'll do that. So execute. No inconsistencies found. Just need to click on this. Okay, so I'm taking an appropriate project package, and I'm saving this data source here. And once we save this data source, we can go ahead into RSO2, RSA3, and check this data source, and get the data. And if you want to hide couple of fields, we can hide it. Actually, like I'm hiding couple of fields here. Just save it. This one created successfully. We'll go to RSA3 and check this particular data source, and the data source name is this one. We'll get these options, and the KOKRS and period extract is mandatory. Controlling area, so we need to take the controlling area and PRIO. We'll go to controlling tables actually. So KOKRS controlling areas. We'll just check controlling area and PERIO. PERIO is period. We'll have KOKRS is 1000. I'll put from 1000 to 5000. Here period will give us 2000. No. Month PERIO. We'll just check here. Numeric 3. Decimal 3.